This courtroom scene starts in a very unusual way. Before we even get into the legal argument, the judge is already addressing outside disruption involving a live stream viewer calling staff and becoming hostile over a separate missing person case. It immediately sets a tone of tension, authority, and control over courtroom boundaries. But what makes this interesting is how quickly the focus shifts from online controversy to serious legal proceedings involving real defendants and real consequences. The question is, how much does public pressure and outside noise influence courtroom behavior, even when the judge is clearly trying to keep things focused on justice?
10 a.m. or 11 a.m. calendar. Have you spoken to Mr. Fry?
No, ma'am. And yeah, I spoke with him before I came, and he said, I didn't get a notice either for this court date, ma'am.
Yeah, but you were in court when I announced it.
No, you actually told me in October.
Did I say October?
I was just here last week.
I know. All right, so we'll move Jackson's cases to the October calendar.
Is that both?
Here we see the first major legal complication. The defendant has two separate cases, but legal representation is split between private counsel and indigent defense. That creates a procedural issue, because the state begins questioning whether the defendant actually qualifies for a court-appointed attorney if he is already able to hire private counsel like Mr. Fry. This is not just paperwork confusion. It's about financial eligibility and constitutional right to counsel. The judge makes it clear, if you can afford an attorney in one case, the court must reassess whether taxpayer-funded representation is appropriate in another. It raises a deeper question. Where do we draw the line between partial affordability and full legal indigence?
Raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear or affirm any testimony you give in this matter will be true?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Jackson, you don't have to tell me anything you've talked about with your attorneys. You don't have to tell me that anything that they've shared with you about either of these cases, but please tell me.
This is where the courtroom becomes highly confrontational. The judge directly questions how the defendant can afford a private attorney while also claiming inability to pay. The financial breakdown becomes central: monthly income of around $3,000, employment as a carpenter, credit card payment for legal fees, rent, car payments, insurance, all of it is analyzed in real time. The judge is essentially testing credibility. Is the defendant truly indigent or selectively presenting financial hardship? This moment highlights a key legal principle. Indigent defense is not automatic, it must be proven. And if there is inconsistency, the court has the authority to challenge it aggressively.
The cost of it, I can't afford another.
Okay, how much do you make per month, sir?
Like $3 grand.
What you do?
I'm a carpenter, ma'am.
You're a carpenter.
Yes.
So you can make $3 grand on one job. Please don't play me, because my family's in building trades and we own property. So don't do it. And my grandfather was a carpenter. I got family members who are builders. You can make that's not even materials cost. $3,000 ain't even materials cost. And once you get into labor, you can make $3,000 on a job, and you're doing more than one job in a month. So, sir, don't come here and lie to me.
Ma'am, I don't work for myself. I work for a company. This is the company that I work for. I'm not self-employed, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any pay stubs with you?
No, I usually don't carry pay stubs with me.
Do you get direct deposit?
Yes, I do.
Can you go on your banking account right now and open it up and show where the direct deposit was made?
Yeah, I can.
All right, do that.
And I just want to note for the record as well, ma'am, I'm having surgery on my shoulder.
Okay, no, I'm still on the direct deposit. It's not about whether your shoulder hurts. Well, I need to know whether you can afford the attorney.
It is because I'm going to be out of work for a substantial amount of time because it's on my rotator's cuff. Okay,
but you're not out of work now. You're paying for Mr. Fry.
Ma'am, I can't afford to. I can't afford.
Well, Mr. Jackson, then the best thing is not to get arrested for two things. I'm trying to do this the right way. If they're asking that we verify whether you are entitled to indigent defense, I'm willing to do that. But I'm just telling you, I didn't ask you for all that. I asked you to tell me how much you make per month.
Ma'am, I don't get any signal. I mean, the officer can come in here and see. I don't get a signal in here at all. It's just rotating. I can show you that. It's just rotating.
You playing with me, Mr. Jackson?
Ma'am, what, you want me to step outside and do it? I'm not, I'm showing you, I can show the officer I'm not getting the signal in it. Believe you me, ma'am, I'm not trying to upset you, Your Honor. I'm doing what you asked me to do. And I'm not getting the signal. And if you can see that, it says, please try again. I'm not trying to upset you, Your Honor.
How much you pay for rent or mortgage, Mr. Jackson?
$1,650. And I do have a daughter living with me that's schizophrenic and bipolar.
Okay, you keep telling me stuff I'm not asking you. Do you rent or own?
I'm renting. Well, I'm just trying to give you the whole picture, ma'am.
No, I'm gonna ask you for the whole picture when I'm ready for it. I'm asking you right now. You claim you make $3,000 a month. Does anyone live with you?
My daughter, ma'am.
Anybody else?
No.
How much do you pay for your car?
$850.
That's for what?
My car payment.
What kind of car you driving?
A
Oh, there it is. A Mercedes what?
No, I didn't say no Mercedes.
What did you say?
A Cadillac, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. You're paying $850 a month and that's the car note, not the insurance. What you pay for insurance?
Like 3 something.
Okay, yes, sir. You can afford counsel. You have until October to hire counsel for your second case. You got gold around your neck. That's sell it.
In the final decision, the judge does not immediately appoint full indigent counsel. Instead, the case is pushed to October, giving the defendant time to either hire private counsel or formally establish eligibility for court-appointed representation. This creates a clear legal fork: either demonstrate financial need or proceed with private legal defense. Alongside this, the judge issues a broader warning: cases like this must move forward efficiently, and financial claims must match documented reality. So the bigger takeaway here is accountability, not just for the alleged offense, but for legal transparency and honesty in court proceedings. If you found this courtroom breakdown intense and eye-opening, make sure to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom analysis and breakdowns.
For 3 years, and this is the first time it's been brought up.
Well,
I was dealing with the other guy that doesn't work for them anymore.
they're entitled to ask. Most time they don't care.
Yeah,
but for some reason they care about yours. So, all right, Mr. Jackson, we'll have you on another calendar in October. Thank you. You're free to go at this time. James charged with criminal trespass. Mr. Kennedy was charged with criminal trespass. Each of these cases will be no pros per the cross fifth that has been recorded on the record here today. Mr. Hall, Miss Hall, Mr. Kennedy, you know what got you here before this court. Please be mindful of the circumstances that y'all are in. If you cannot communicate effectively with each other, then y'all just may not need to have any communication with each other. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do y'all have any kids together or anything I should be concerned about?
Yeah, we do got kids.
Of course you do. All right. So this is what I would advise. If you, Mr. Kennedy, have not legitimized your children, go through the Superior Court, legitimize your children, because they're not legally yours until you do that. The second thing is—
I did that already.
Okay. So do y'all have a visitation schedule, child support, all of that is worked out through the courts?
No, I ain't no child support.
Okay, y'all act like child support is a bad thing, but a parent—
No, I'm not on child support though.
No, I'm saying y'all act like it's a bad thing, but knowing how much money you have to budget for with your child every month is not a bad thing. Trust me. But what I say is those are the issues that come up that lead you back here to this court. So what I'm saying is, if you want to have a clear understanding of your obligations to your child, to each other, and how to communicate, get all that down in writing. Because when y'all got to figure it out yourself, you're going to end up back here before me. And the child needs to be taken care of in a way that they can expect to always know that money is going to come in on time so those needs can be met. food, housing, insurance, shoes. Kids are growing, like the way kids grow nowadays, they're growing out of clothes tomorrow. So it makes sense for both parents to be aware of what the financial situation is and how that's going to be handled, and it be straightened out instead of giving that the opportunity for another point of confusion. That's all I'm saying. All right. So y'all, I've given my little speech. Y'all are free to go at this time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Ms. Hall.
Thank you, Judge. Am I going to get a copy of the order, Your Honor?
Mr. Laguda, if you want to email send your email to Miss Wright, Amanda Wright, by chat.
Okay. All right, Judge, will do. Thank you.
All right, thank you.